Hi guys, Fishy Monkey here, and I'm gonna teach you how to make an. Okay, trader. You need some sticky piston, some bag of redstone, some dispenser, and some furnace, and some redstone repeater, and some button. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this is choosing the operator. Need some cobblestone. What? Okay. Now let's put there some only. Let's give a floor. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 9. Okay. Now for the heater, this is the button for it, so they couldn't see it. Now I'm gonna put some of here. Let's see if it works. It's not. Let's just break it here. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. Let's see if this works. I'm promised. So I'm really promised. Why I have a furnace? I don't know why I have a furnace. Just never mind it because I don't know what I'm doing. No, this is like secret or something. This is put some this and some ores for like secret. There. Okay, if you have here, you share it. Here it works. It works. Just need it because 9 blocks here. I'm just gonna add some more 9 and some other thing you want to do. Now, if you want some apple trade, you just need an apple. You don't need money, that's the coolest part. If you're hungry in the mine shaft, just put some button there and boom, come on. Look at this. Look at this. This is okay, my fan is on, so just look at this. See if it works. Yeah, it is. It comes from here, so it comes from there. Let's just put it back. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Always take care of yourself. Just leave a like or subscribe for my more videos. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Wait a minute. You know what, video?